All right. Chat. Good morning. I gotta get my tray sinker set up, chat. Hold on. I can't forget. Chat, how we doing, bro? What's goody in the hoodie, baby? We got G-Man, we got Paul, we got Roman, we got Bielka. Good morning. Hola. Buenos dias. PA is trash and tracing your failed me. PA is trash. We just started, baby. We just opened. Today actually might be boring though, I ain't gonna lie. Today might be ass. Just with the PA that we have, or with the news later this week. So PA might actually be trash, but who knows. Mark and Maker Mario, good morning. Zimze, holy. Good morning. Starboy, good morning. Chat, good fucking morning, baby. Holy. Holy, baby. Chat, if YouTube screws me over on his music again, I'm gonna be actually kind of pissed. We're gonna let it ride. But if YouTube screws me, we're gonna fight. We actually are gonna fight. Business Lens, good morning. You got a bet in Kalshi that they're gonna screw me? Bro, don't talk to me like that. I don't need that energy. I don't need that energy, baby. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Last night after I finished up filming content and stuff, I went straight to bed, dude. I am on, like, listen, I slept from like 8:30 to about 7 this morning, chat. I'm fucking wired, bro. I got so much sleep last night. Listen, I feel like a new human being, bro. I really do. I feel brand new. Brand new. I'm like kind of wired, bro. I don't even need this Celsius, but I'm drinking it anyways. I got like 11 hours of sleep last night, chop. It's fucking amazing, bro. What's that song by Tyga? Brand new, brand new, brand new. That's me right now. Trey's by Judah. What's up? Let's talk about Top Trash and all the alleged changes that weren't true or were. Yeah, whoever wrote the new rules on the website of Top Step needs to be like fired or something. Because they worded that in the absolute worst way possible, chat. They really did. I mean, the absolute worst way they could have worded that, they did it. They don't actually have intraday drawdown in their life. But man, did they word that in the most horrible way they possibly could have. Judah, not much, baby, not much. Just we chilling, bro. We chilling. Meanwhile, Nasdaq getting cooked. Nice, Mario. Holy. This is a Ghost Rider. Holy. Nah. That would be funny, though. Oh, chat, I didn't share it on Twitter. I'm live. Hold on. All right, there we go. Bielka took a scalp short, lock 250. Let's fucking go, baby. Holy GG's. Bielka, mi amor, coming in hot with a 250. Oh man, Nasdaq coming down to 3 hundos, chat. 3 hundos. Do we get a pop of these 292s? What do we think, chat? 292s, Nasdaq, huh? Or do we bid up from this? I have a feeling today's gonna be a choppy day, chat. I really do. I have a feeling today's gonna be choppy. What's today? Tuesday? Yeah, we don't have any news today. Oh, chat, hold on. We need to do an Instagram live or an Instagram story. Hold on. Wait a minute. We gotta do an Instagram live or Instagram story. Chat, everybody smile, bro. Everybody smile. We gotta throw it up on the story. Put it in the chat. Y'all know what to do. There it is. Oh, wait, hold on. We live, baby. Holy, live on YouTube. Come through. The chat's here. Everybody's here. Cheesing for the camera, baby. Everybody cheesing for the camera. We here. Come on. There it is. Let me put the link up. Hold on. Throw it up on the story. Throw the link up. Why doesn't it show my link, bro? I don't get it. It won't show my link. I don't understand why. All right. There we go. Story posted, baby. Holy. All right. Oh, Nasdaq. Wow. Nasdaq actually broke those 292s. Your duck craze rival. Holy. Chat, I don't know if you guys watched the Super Bowl, but you guys know the streaker, one of the streakers that went out onto the field. One of the streakers that went out there was Alex G. If you don't know who that is, he is a huge influencer in the day trading space out of Miami. That's so funny. And he had all of his shit written on his chest, bro. I mean, listen, dude. I mean, that's genius, bro. Take the L, like go spend a night in jail, take the legal fees, and you got your shit in front of millions of people, bro. That's so funny. Yeah, it's his second time. He'll probably do it again next year. Breaking him back above these 292s, chat. I kind of want to long this. He's banned for life. Did they actually finally ban him for life this time? What up, G? They did ban him for life this time? Oh, that's crazy. Okay, well, never mind. He can't do it again. I mean, listen, worth it, I guess. He bet on himself that there would be a streaker. Yeah, on Kalshi. That's so funny, dude. He probably had like a lot of people betting on it too, and they all just like split the pot. Let's take a stab on this here. Well, I really wanted to see that break. I don't like that not breaking, chat. See if buyers can try it one more time. Come on, buyers. Go up and break this. 315 for me. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, yeah, we're gonna close that. Just gonna close it, chat. Just gonna close it. I'm not even gonna let that go to my my stop. I'm just gonna take the L. I thought maybe we could break that 316 there, but nope. Only reason why I took it was because if we go to the 15-minute chat, we have nice lows here, and we dipped below it and then started to buy back above it. So that's the only reason why I took it, and we still could buy, but I'm not gonna stay in that anymore. I'll take the small. Oops. I'll take the small L. Why did I just get signed out? Hold on, chat. I gotta switch. I gotta. TRADEIFY just signed me out, dude. It's really weird. All right, there we go. Move that back over. All right, so we're only down 200. This is not bad. I already did the trade sinker. We good. We good. We only took a 10-point loss on that. The odds is like plus 500. Oh no. I mean, probably made some money. I would assume that betting on a streaker at the Super Bowl is like a guaranteed bet. Like that's guaranteed money. All right, we're buying back above that high, chat. I want to keep longing this. Let's go. There it is. That's what I wanted, chat, right there. Let's hold this up to VWAP here. We're going to try to hold it to VWAP. Might be able to get quite a bit out of this, honestly. I'm going to try to sit in this and be patient with it. $15 minutes looking pretty good for the buy. I really want VWAP out of this. All right, we'll take it off there, chat. We'll take it off there. All right, so that put us green on the day. Yeah, we're up 300 on the day after that. So we'll take that. That put us nice and green. I was trying to hold out the VWAP, but it wasn't really giving me the extra push, so it was safer to just take it off. Safer to just take it off. Now it's probably going to give me the VWAP hit. That's okay. That's okay. We got 30 points out of that, chat. 460 on the personal, 330 on the funded, baby. Holy. You love to see it. Yeah, there it goes, that VWAP. Damn it, Nasdaq. The 15-minute looked really good, chat. Like, if you looked here, hold on. If you looked at this, I mean, this is why I bought it again. This is the move that I actually wanted on the first trade, right? Because look, we had this low, right? We had a strong low here. We've been bullish, okay? Once we sweep that, we buy up. And look, this is the candle that I originally took it on, right? I originally took it here on that wick when we bought back up. But then we did it again. We swept it and wicked out of it again on the 15. That 15-minute looks super bullish after sweeping that. So that's why I retook it. But it's unfortunate that it didn't give us on the first time that we tried this trade. It happens. But that's why we took it there. Just knowing that we've been bullish, sweeping a low there. What happened yesterday? Like, same thing, right? Look at this. Yesterday. Right? Here's the wick from yesterday morning. This was previous lows. Sweep the lows. Rip from it. Right? That's exactly what happened yesterday. Look what's happening now. Market's just been buying. And it just keeps on going. Crazy. It's unfortunate we got kicked out of the trade. We'd be on almost a 100-pointer right now. Almost a 100-pointer. I'm just looking around for around $300 per account on them per day. Smart. Smart. Wow, look at this thing fly, dude. Damn, bro. Why did Nasdaq kick me out of this? Took the longer VWAP. You got in right after I got out. Damn, dude. I really wanted to hold that too. Really wanted to hold that. All right, Roman. GG's, baby. It is flying, baby. G-Man with a hell of a long, baby. GG's, baby. G-Man bankrolling off this long. We got these highs up here, chat. Hold on, let's look at the 15-minute again. I mean, look at all these 15-minute highs, bro. It just seems like we're gunning for this. It seems like we're going to be gunning for that. Look at this 15-minute candle, dude. Look at this. Golly, bro. This is one of those trades where I wish I didn't back out of it and I kept holding it. It's rather annoying, not gonna lie. What's gold doing? Hold on, let's look at gold. Gold getting kind of, oops, gold getting cooked. It's all a nice little buy up after sweeping these lows there, though. Hold on. Yeah, gold's just kind of, actually, gold's just moving sideways. Gold's not really doing anything. Yeah, gold's kind of whack. Silver doing nothing. I really feel like Nasdaq is going to try to sweep these 15-minute highs. I don't know when, but I really feel like Nasdaq wants to sweep these. Those have been crap the last few sessions. Yeah, because everyone's like chilling out on them now. This song's fire, dude. YouTube has some, like, the YouTube creator library for music, they have some bangers in there, dude. Kind of like want them on my own playlist. Part of me wants to long this pullback to target those 50-minute highs, chat. I know we've already come all the way up here, but I just feel like we're gunning for those 15-minute highs, and I really want to be a part of it. That would have been a pullback to get in on, too. Nice, Mario. It just feels like we're gunning for those highs, bro. It almost feels like a magnet. Scalping is the game for prop firms, Mario. You're doing it right. For prop firms, scalping is the way to go. Just take little base hits here and there. That's the name of the game. Waiting for one more opportunity. I really want to take this long here, dude. But because listen, I know we've already bought all the way up, but these highs, it just feels like we're gunning for it, dude. And I really want to be part of it. They doing some GG and shit on TRADEIFY stream? What are they doing? I'm gonna be on there in a little while. Trading on the 1 second? Oof. Shares desk, good morning. We vibing over here, baby. We vibing. We vibing. Yoda, good morning. What's up, fam? Dude, here we go. So it just seems like we're gonna gun from. I feel like we're gonna get us a big old pop to the upside after we run those 15-minute highs, bro. It just feels that way, chat. It really does. I got a little the tingle, you know what I mean? The spider sense. The spider sense tingle, you know? That we're just gonna go straight up once we pop these 15-minute highs. There it goes. Are we gonna get that pop, chat? Are we gonna get the pop? There it goes. Running. Well, we haven't run them yet, but it seems like we're about to. There we go. 15-minute highs ran. Dude, it was so fucking obvious, dude. And I'm so mad I was not in it. Oh god, dude. Targeting these 15-minute highs was so fucking obvious, bro. That was clear as day. When you have the spider sense, chat, you just gotta follow it, dude. Trunks, nice. Send me a screenshot in Discord. Message me. Send me a DM. Yeah, and it just still keeps on going, baby. Just keeps on going. I'm so angry. Bro, that long just made, oh my God, bro. That would have been that'd have ended my day right there. That was the trade to call it a day on. All right, so we did get a sweep, a 15-minute high sweep. I mean, at this point, I guess I'd be looking for some shorts, but I'm gonna need to see something here come through for to justify shorts. Chat, any guys take these longs up here? Or take the long all the way up? Who took the longs, bro? Chris Trader, what up? Just keeps on ripping, baby. Just keeps on ripping. To be honest, chat, I really don't want today to be a trend day. I really don't. Like, that's kind of the last thing I want to happen is a trend day. Adios. GG's, baby. I bet everybody that trades ICT. If I got any ICT traders in the chat, bro, I bet y'all looking at this, huh? For all my ICT people, I bet y'all looking at that right there, aren't you? Be honest, chat. Nice, Mario. Oh, nice selling there. Nice selling. All right, swept of the 15-minute highs that we marked out. Catching some weakness out of it. Some really good weakness. Wow. Wow. Holy. All right, we'll take that short right there. And stop, we'll have to go like some up in here. See if we can get a move down here, chat. Nice. We'll take it off there, chat. Take it out there for 550. Just keep racking up the scalps, baby. Just keep racking up the scalps. That's how we do. That is how we do, baby. Holy. Just rack it up. We just racking it up, chat. I want bands, baby. I want bands. You know what I mean? I want the bands. Scalps are good today? Yes, they are. They 100% are. Chat, we're up 800 today. We're up 800. Can't hesitate though. Exactly. Yeah, you really can't. You really can't. Just gotta take it. All right, let's see. Do I want to lock up the personal account today? Being up 800. We're up 800 on the personal account, chat. We lock it up? What do you think? The prop firm accounts are up too. Everything's been copied to my prop firm account, so we're up everywhere. We're up 800 on everything. I'm down to keep trading the prop accounts, but do we lock up the personal account, chat? That's the question. That's the question. Keiko says, lock that shit up. Just trade one prop account. I mean, if I lock up my personal account, I mean, we're still gonna trade all 5 of the prop firm accounts that I have. Wow, look at this buy up. Interesting buy here. You have 40 prop accounts. Holy, bro. Chat, if you're not already subbed, what are you even doing, bro? Holy, you need to be subbed the fuck up right now because we're just absolutely cooking the market. I mean, we are cooking it, chat. So if you're not subbed the fuck up right now because we're live every single day during New York session. And Asia, I didn't stream Asia last night just because I was filming content and then I got done with content and I was so fucking cooked, chat, that I went to sleep. But we do stream Asia too. So hit that sub if you're not already subbed. Get up on the fam because all we do is make money over here, baby. That's what we do. We make money, chat. This community makes fucking money. That's it. It's plain and simple. It is plain and simple. We do nothing less. All right? All right, does this thing buy back up or what are we doing here? This thing wanna buy back up, bro. I'd be surprised this thing goes back up to the highs, chat. I really would. I would be surprised if the thing goes back up to the highs. I really don't see that happening. I feel like we either consolidate this for a little bit or come back down. But, I mean, I could be wrong. The only reason why I say that is I'm just taking in what happened earlier this morning too, right? We came down and took out the lows here on the 15-minute, right? We wicked out, bought up. Same thing here. We have these 15-minute highs up here. We ran them, wicked out of it, and saw some selling. So, I mean, we could go back up to the highs, but I don't know how I don't know if I feel like this thing wants to continue buying back up or not. Part of me is like, I feel like we range. I feel like we could just come back up to the top here, come back down, arrange it, maybe come back down to the lows here. But overall in the day, I'm feeling very like, I'm feeling this, chat. This is what I'm feeling. That's kind of what I'm feeling. My drawing's ass. It looks like a 2-year-old just scribbled on a piece of paper, but that's what I'm feeling today. That would be great for IB plays. Yes, it would. Yes, it would. That's essentially what I want. See, look, here we go. Right back down, dude. I'm telling you, I just don't feel like I don't feel like we trend, bro. I feel like we really do range. I am going to lock up the personal account, though. Personal account, we're up 800 on that. So we're going to lock up the personal account. And then just trade prop the rest of the day. So let me change leader on TradeSync. Go there. All right. And we'll turn off the personal account. All right, chat. I'm gonna pull this chart over, drag this one off because I'm gonna get signed into my prop accounts and get logged out of my personal here. All right, so log out. Get signed into my prop accounts here. All right, now what's my leader account? Perfect. All right. All right, now I'll drag this back over. Check Euro, USD. I don't really trade Forex, man. Not much of a Forex trader. I really don't know much about Forex, to be honest with you. All right, so we are still kind of ranging up here. $15 minutes, still looking like we're rejecting. If anything, I am looking for sells here. I'm switched over to prop firm accounts, so I can trade a little bit more aggressive now, since I'm not trading my personal anymore. And we're just gonna look to take quick hits. Quick hits, baby, quick hits. The initial balance will be set here in about 2 minutes. Looks like this is probably gonna be our IB high. want to see this rejects here, checks. I'm not afraid to take a short here. I'm not afraid, baby. I'm not afraid. Yo, Miss K said it. Y'all heard it, chat. She said, did you hit that like button? If you haven't, what are you even doing, bro? What are you even doing? Buyers really trying to hold a bid, man. They just don't want to come down. I'm actually really surprised that this got retraced here. That was some aggressive selling, so I'm really surprised that that got retraced. Buyers trying to hold the bid. All right, well, looks like we're gonna go right back up, chat. Shocking. Shocking. I might have been wrong. That we want to make maybe one more push higher. You're closing chars 4 for 4. You're pushing it now? Yeah, you need to close them down, bro. Lock it up, baby. Lock it up. Lock it up, baby. Gonna leave your DJing for Asia? I love that. I really do. I love that. All right, are we gonna actually go run these highs or are we gonna reject it? What are we gonna do, chat? What are we gonna do, baby? I really want to short it, to be honest with you. That's what I want to do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a stab short, chat. We can do many things. You're right. You're absolutely right. You are not wrong. All right, let's see this thing continue to push down here. Give me the continuation, sellers. Give me the continuation. Push it, push it, push it. Nice. Nice. See if we continue here. I'll go to break even now, chat. I'm not going to let this thing go red. Damn, this thing does not want to give me the continuation, man. Come on now. Come on now. Give it to me. Give me what I want. There you go. Keep on sending it. Keep on sending it. Send it, send it, send it. I love it. We'll take it off right there, chat, for 350, I think it was. W's, 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 W's. We're up $1,000 on the prop counts. W's. Oh, baby, baby, baby. I ditched you on TRADEIFY without even saying hi, bro. What are you talking about, G? What do you mean? I didn't even see you in TRADEIFY. I didn't even see you. About 100 behind you? Nice. Any giveaway today? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not this morning, but if we do one, it'll be during Asia. She came in at the end. Oh, Miss Cat, I didn't even see you. My bad, G. Love you. I didn't even see you. You must have hopped in like right when I was hopping off. If I had to guess. Gold dropped. Let's take a look. Oh, gold. Goldie, 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 Goldie. Gold's getting cooked. Jack, gold is getting cooked. Chat, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to ignore any question about giveaways. I'm not going to say anything. So next time I get asked about a giveaway, I'm not going to say anything. I'm only going to say something about a giveaway when I'm like about to do it. Because it seems like people just come in here for giveaways, or some people do, which I get it. It's fine. I don't blame you, because everybody wants free accounts, but I'm not going to say anything, right? I'm going to ignore every question about giveaways. And then if you're here when I do them, you're here. And if you're not, you're not. But I'm going to ignore every single one of them. Just because, like, I don't want people in here that just want giveaways, not say, like, I want people in here that want to make money, right? If you want to make money, I want you here, because that's what we do. My job as a streamer and a trader is to help you guys make money. I want you guys to make money, right? That's what I want for you. So, if you're here, and plus, like, the people that like want to make money and are here to make money, like, I want you guys to win the accounts. Like, the people that want to be here and want to actually make fucking money and learn and be good traders, like, I want those people to win the accounts, right? So I'm just not going to say anything from here on out. And if you're here, you're here. All right, enough of that. Because I am going to do giveaways. I do them all the time. But the last thing I want to do, chat, is build a community off doing giveaways. Like, I don't want to build a community that's just off giveaways. You know what I mean? Like, I want to build a community of people that want to make money. Just do members only. I don't want to do members only just because, like, one, I have quite a few members, but not enough to be like, yeah, we're only gonna do members only. But some people don't want to spend like $10 a month or $15 a month or whatever, right, to be a member. And that's fine. Like, I just want people here that want to make money. And those people are the people I want to win the giveaways. Joyce, hello. They usually trade from IB high and IB low, right? Correct. Yeah. Well, I mean, I take other trades outside of that, but yeah, like, my bread and butter strategy is on IB high and IB low. That's the bread and butter, baby. What up, Brad? How you doing, G? Nasdaq is just ranging, bro. Ranging. We have about 192 point initial balance, chat. Nasdaq's not really doing anything. I'm gonna take a look at gold for a minute, because gold saw a nice move. And it's starting to catch a bid from it. So I really want to pay attention to this. Home with the flu. Yo, you can keep that shit to yourself. I don't want that, bro. I don't want that shit. Nah, keep that to yourself, homie. With all the data, you're not surprised? Yeah, Sam. Same. What if you have us put the stream giveaway in YouTube chat instead of Discord? Because Yoda, because the people that have like 10 YouTube accounts, they all have like bot accounts, right? So they can just switch from one YouTube account to another and then just like have 20 entries. With all the YouTube accounts. So it's easier to do it in Discord just because they can only really have one. Yeah, Discord has bots too, but like not like YouTube. Like YouTube, they can have like 20 entries. we could have like 50 people in here and then do a giveaway and there's like 200 entries. So it just doesn't make sense to do on YouTube because people have figured out that they can create multiple YouTube accounts and yeah. Some wild dedication. Yeah, it is. People are hungry for those free accounts. I was looking at that from your experience. It usually goes back to range or bounce and go. So yeah, I mean, it can. I would generally, I'll just show you how I trade it, right? So because we're at IB low, I'm just gonna use IB low as an example here on gold. But since we broke below, like I would generally look for a long if we popped back up within IB low here, right? So now you can anticipate us going from range to range, right? You can anticipate that. I don't really go for that because it's like, I don't know, it's a huge trade. That's a home run trade. While I can do that, it could take forever or you're going to be stopped out, break even or this and that, right? So generally I target 50%, right? 50% of IB. If I trade the initial balance, right? So again, if I long here, generally I like to target 50% of the range. But a lot of times you can target the opposite end. Kind of just depends. You like it here for the content. It keeps me grounded. Appreciate that. Yeah, appreciate that. Here I can dance. I might have a history. G-Man, I'm gonna ban you. I'm gonna fucking ban you, bro. What happened at Top Step is there a, wait, is there a following flying ticks bad? No, nothing happened with Top Step. Like, pretty much, they rewrote something on their website, or they wrote something on their website that was like one of the worst ways they could have written it, and it made them look like they are adding intraday trailing drawdown in their live accounts. But whoever wrote it did a horrible job and made it sound like way worse than it is. They essentially fixed it and said that nothing changes with their daily loss limit. If you go below your daily loss limit during the day, right? But like below your starting account balance during that day or whatever your daily loss limit is, it will take it out. It'll lock you out of your account even if it's unrealized. Right, but that doesn't mean that the drawdown raises unrealized, so it's not intraday trailing draw like Apex. They're just saying that if your unrealized balance goes below your daily loss limit, it'll take you out. That's it. Sure, if I took a jab at that today without saying it during the morning, did they? You gotta love prop wars. Prop wars are pretty lit though. They're fun. Also here to make Joey the 4th best looking bald guy. Wait a minute. Hold on. 4th? Gee, we about to fight, dude. I'm about to fly my ass to New York and throw hands with you. The more they're at war, the better for us. True. That is true. It forces competition. So I'm with it. I'm with it. Just caught that short from top and NQ. Nice. GG's. I'm taking a small, well, I'm taking about 5 micros long on gold right now. So long gold, 5 micros. We'll put my stop just below I below there. G-Man woke up with violence in mind today. G-Man about to get the violence, bro. He keeps coming in here talking that shit. Oh, they don't hit me with hedging? Hit me with hedging? For what? I'm not hedging. Oh, G-Man, gotcha. Like, I'm not hedging. What you talking about, G? All right, now our gold is pulling back a little bit here. My stop's just below I below there. Gold might actually tap me out here. If it can't hold IB, okay, yeah, we got tapped there. All right, so we're tapped out there. We're up 700 on the prop accounts now. So it took a little L right there. Just a little L. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold though, just because if it's gonna hold IB low, like I still want to get back in, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna attempt this one more time, chat. Just because if we hold IB low, this thing is gonna go, and I kind of want to be part of it. What's the name of the indicator for IB high and low? It's my own indicator. I had a partnership with Lux Algo, and they created the indicator for me. It used to be available. It's no longer available. Okay, let's see if we can now get to the pop here for the 50s. Ideally, I'd like to see VWAP on this. Gonna try to hold it to VWAP or close to it. Target would probably be like 56 chat if I can get that, but now we're starting to pull back again. But don't love. Well, it's just not wanting to give me the move that I want here, chat. We need to get above 52s. I really want 56s on this. But if we dip back below IB low, it's not gonna be a good look. Come on, buyers. Give me something here. Give me something. Damn. Damn, bro. Stay above IB low for me. Wow. All right. Well, this is gonna be cooked. They doing dirty stuff today? Now, yes, they are. Yep. They are really toying today at this point. This is why I locked up my personal account. This is why we locked up the personal account. So we ain't got to deal with this in real money. Well, chat, I don't know what's gonna happen with this trade, but we'll find out. Chat, I do gotta hop though, because I gotta hop on. Looks like we might get tapped here though. I gotta hop on TRADEIFY here in about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna hop, get something to eat real quick, get something to drink, and be ready for the TRADEIFY stream. So if you wanna hop over on TRADEIFY, I'll be there in about 30 minutes. And yeah, so if you're not already subbed, hit that sub button. We live daily. Make money, gang. Peace. Come over to TRADEIFY if you haven't already, baby. Come over to TRADEIFY if you haven't already. Peace.